Hello children, today we are going to see activity on fractions. This activity is from my STEM kit. If you have purchased it, then do this activity from activity number 5. And those who don't have this activity, they can cut the papers and then try it at your home. So see, yesterday or in last activity we have seen what is the fraction. This is fraction of, what will be its fraction? It's 1 by 1. What is its fraction? 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Okay. Now what is the fraction of this page? 1 upon 3. What is the fraction of this part? Same 1 upon 3. This is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 8. 1 upon 6. Today just we are going to discuss equivalent fractions. So, in our video, we have seen 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4. Okay. So, we are going to see how is it. See, what is the fraction of this? 1 upon 2. Can we fit? What is the fraction of this? Since it is 1 upon 4, it is also 1 upon 4. So, this 2 becomes, when I select 2 parts, total parts are 4. Selected parts are 2. Hence, its fraction will be 2 upon 4. So, see. 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4. They both are exactly same. Can you notice it? They are exactly same. What is its fraction? It's 1 upon 2. What is its fraction? It's 2 upon 4. Same way we have seen 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4 is equals to 3 upon 6. Let us see that. This is 3 upon 6. See. What is the individual part? 1 upon 6. But if I take 3 parts out of the 6 parts, then its fraction will be 3 upon 6. Now can you see? This 3 upon 6 is exactly same as 1 upon 2. Can you see it? 1 upon 2 is exactly equal to 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 is exactly same as 3 upon 6. Okay. Same way we can see 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 8 is also half fraction. Okay. Let us see that. What is the individual fraction? It is 1 upon 8. If I took its 4 parts, then it will be 4 upon 8. See children, these are exactly same. 4 upon 8. Hence, 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4 is equals to 3 upon 6 is equals to 4 upon 8. Okay. So, hence they are called as the equivalent fractions. Okay. So, now let us do one more example. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Okay, 1 upon 3. If I take its 2 parts, then it will be 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3. Now can you see 2 upon 3? अगर 2 upon 3 को मैंने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को, तो 2 2 जा 4 and 3 2 जा 6 माने 4 upon 6. So 2 upon 3 और 4 upon 6 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस होते हैं, वो देखेंगे. So 4 upon 6 के लिए मुझे ये वाला पार्ट लेना पड़ेगा, राइट? क्योंकि इसका डिनोमिनेटर 6 है. So 4 upon 6 चूज करूंगी. 4 upon 6 मीन्स 1 upon 6 के 4 पार्ट्स. ओके, 1 upon 6 के 4 पार्ट्स. So if I see 4 upon 6, 4 upon 6, see 1 upon 3 ये है. 1 upon 3 की जगह पे मैंने 1 upon 3 ये है, यहाँ पे दूसरा था 2 upon 3. सी 2 upon 3 ये थे. See this is what? 2 upon 3. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3 माने 2 upon 3. अभी इन 2 upon 3 की जगह पे मैं ये 4 upon 6 लगाती हूँ. सी मैं ये 4 upon 6 लगाती हूँ. इन 2 upon 3 की जगह पे ये 2 upon 3 थे, राइट? 1/3 के 2 पार्ट्स माने 2/3, इन 2/3 की जगह में मैंने 4/6 लगाए हैं, तो दे आर एग्जैक्टली इक्वल. ओके, दैट्स वाई 2/3 is equals to 4/6. Okay, this was one more example. Let us take one more example. Three upon 4 is equals to 6/8. See, 3/4. This is what? What is its fraction? 1, 2. See, 1/4, 1/4, and this is one more 1/4. Okay, this is one more 1/4. So this all become 3/4. Okay, now 3/4 is equals to मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को 2 से, सो 6/8. सो 3/4 इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 6/8. ये कैसे होता है देखेंगे. सो 6/8 माने यहाँ पे देखेंगे 1/8 के 6 पार्ट्स. तो ये बराबर हो रहे हैं क्या देखेंगे, इसके ऊपर लगाएंगे. तो ये कितने होते हैं देखो, दिस इज, ये भी और है कि 1/4 माने 1/8 के 2 पार्ट्स. यहाँ पे भी 1/8 के 2 पार्ट्स. यहाँ पे भी 1/8 के 2 पार्ट्स. ओके, सो ये भी और एक सबक मिला हमको. दिस ऑल्सो वन लेसन, दैट इज 1/2/8 इज इक्वल्स टू 1/4. 2/8 is equals to 1/4. 4/8. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/8 हो गई ये. 4/8 is equals to 2/4. 2/4 हो गई, या फिर इसको हम हाफ भी बोल सकते हैं, राइट. सी, दिस इज ऑल्सो हाफ. सेम वे दिस 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6/8 is equals to 3/4. ये फर्स्ट 1/4 है, ये सेकंड 1/4 है, और ये थर्ड 1/4 है. इसलिए 3/4 is equals to 6/8. Okay, so in this way we have seen how equivalent fractions work, how they are equal. उनके न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर अलग होते हैं, फिर भी उनकी वैल्यू सेम होती है. एंड हाउ इट इज सेम, जस्ट नाउ वी हैव सीन. One more lesson we need to learn here, that see what is 1/8 and what is 1/4. See, this is 1/4, right? This is 1/4 and this is 1/8. So कौन सा बड़ा है बताओ बच्चों, 1/8 बड़ा है या 1/4 बड़ा है? 1/4 बड़ा है. One more lesson, let us see. This is 1/6. ठीक है, this is 1/3. This is 1/2. Okay, and this is 1. Okay, now can you tell me, this is 1 complete. उसके बाद 1/2, उसके बाद है 1/3. Come on, tell me which one is bigger. 1/1 is bigger or 1/2 is bigger? Obviously you can see 1/1 is bigger. Okay, 1/2 is smaller than 1/2. 1/1. 1/2 is smaller than 1/1. Next comes 1/3. 1/3 is smaller than 1/2. 1/3 is smaller than 1/2. Next comes 1/3. Can you see? 1/3 से 1/4 छोटा है, right? See which one is bigger? 1/3 is bigger than 1/4. Okay. Next comes 1/6. Now see which one is bigger?